I couldn't find you guys. What are we doing here? So, we're in charge of toast, and I thought we'd bring up 3 brothers and go from oldest to smartest to best looking.
Let's take a vote.
Shannon, looks like you finally met your soulmate, and I'm super happy for you. And I know you guys are just going to have a happy life together and do a lot of flying and have a lot of adventures. So cheers to you guys.
Hey, very good. Congratulations.
We're just going to go down the line toasting.
Shannon, it's great. Congratulations. Good luck.
So some of you may not know, we shared a room growing up. Not that bad to live with at all. I've been thinking about this for a long time. Shannon, you deserve it so much. And John, welcome to the family.
Welcome to the family.
It's going to be a long, tough road. But, however, as long as you take care of this one, don't mess that up.
The 3
brothers,
brothers, yeah.
Welcome, and we're really excited for you guys. Cheers, everyone. Thank you so much. And best of luck.
You get one, you get them all, John.